All right, everyone. I am here with Clete Werts. Clete is from ZAMP. I'm very excited about ZAMP, quite frankly, because this is an huge area of need. And frankly, I would go as far as to say touches every single business in America in some way or fashion, and sometimes in more ways than the business probably even realized. So, Clete, can you tell us what ZAMP is?
So I appreciate the opportunity to talk about this. So yeah, ZAMP, the whole reason we even started ZAMP was to automate and manage sales tax for businesses. And like you said, everybody's got to deal with it in most cases, whether it's, from wholesale to direct to consumer. So sales tax, it's everywhere. And so we built ZAMP as a managed service to help accountants, CPAs, address their clients' sales tax needs. So from calculations all the way to filing to notice management to registrations. The other one is product taxability. How are different products or services taxed? We have a whole research team that helps address that need as well. So that's ZAMP in a nutshell.
Yeah, no, and this is a real issue because, at least for the tax professionals, most clients don't want to pay for it. They don't really want to get involved in doing it, so they leave it to the client. And what happens, listen, given what we do, what we see, the client doesn't know how to do it properly. So let's say they have, I don't know, 50,000 a month of sales and 20,000 are not subject to tax. They're the sales to municipalities, whatever. So they'll put down 30,000, right? That's the taxable sales.
Mhm.
What happens at least Connecticut, Mass, New York, I'm sure most states, they pull the federal number, gross receipts, and compare it to what you reported on your sales tax returns. You're obviously underreporting, right? We got 600,000, 50,000 a month on your federal, but you only reported 360,000. You underreported 240,000. They'll probably look at a couple of years. They send you a bill, penalty and interest. Now we're in a fight, basically arguing that the taxpayer is an idiot. So what I would give these talks, I talk to the CPAs, the EAs, say, look, you should be reviewing this before you hit the federal return. They laugh at you. Oh, sure. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, April 14th. That's great. Yeah, I'll be more than happy to review their sales tax. Not,
Yeah.
not going to happen. Right? In fact, I've had some accounts say, well, isn't that good? It generates more work. Well, yeah, that's not really the way you want to be generating it. And so, as I've discovered, I could white label ZAMP, and I'd like you to talk about that. How does that work? But I can also just refer my clients.
Mhm.
And I've already referred several to you. Say, hey, I have one, I think that I referred, I think they're in 7 or 8 states. And I was like,
Okay.
listen, even the accountants that claim they do it aren't going to want to do that. All right. But you have that expertise, in all 50. So how does ZAMP work with the tax professional and then potentially also just directly with the client?
Yeah, and I think so. The way we've set ZAMP up from a partnership perspective is we can engage with them depending on what they want to do from a company perspective, right? How they want to address their sales tax for their clients. And so the first option is, hey, yeah, I just want somebody that I can trust, that I can send my client over, and then ZAMP, myself or one of the sales reps can address, talk to them, understand what their requirements are, and sign them up, right? So it's just a referral agreement, referral partnership. You send it over, we take good care of them. The other option is our white label service, and we've got a ton of traction with this over the last couple of years.
Yep.
In that an accounting firm, bookkeeper, they have a bunch of clients, but that relationship is really important to them and they want to maintain that relationship. And so, but they don't know sales tax. They don't want to know sales tax, but they want to offer this to their clients, sales tax. And so we have a white label service that will handle everything, all the execution on the back end. So we can calculate the sales tax, we can register, nexus monitoring, everything, filing, all on the back end. And so the clients don't know we exist, right? The relationship, the support is done by the accountant or the CPA, and then we're doing all the back end compliance. So that's our white label service. So depending on what's important to them, and we have a couple partners that do both, right? Some it makes sense just to refer the customer over, and some they're like based on the complexity, the platforms that they're on, and so forth. So yeah, you can just refer your client, or we have a white label service where you want to set up a sales tax practice within your organization.
And I'm going to tell you, for anyone watching this, this is an opportunity. Almost every business needs to deal with sales tax. So in terms of if you're going to set up a business, um, the need is huge. All right. And the fact that you can white label it, or if it's complex, just simply hand it off, refer them over, is big. It really is. And it gives the tax pro a lot of flexibility in terms of adding on a new revenue stream, or just making sure the client gets taken care of. And we talked about that. You get that a lot. Look, I'm not looking for referrals or anything. I just want to make sure this client gets taken care of properly.
Yeah, exactly right. And again, I think you hit on something earlier too. Businesses, clients, they don't know sales tax and they don't want to know sales tax. And there's kind of a fear of how do I deal with sales tax? And I think the other piece is just getting somebody that you can trust that knows sales tax that can help them. Then the nice thing about what we've done when we build ZAMP, we own the outcome. So yeah, it's not just about giving information, but we own the execution and the actual outcome. So we want to make sure that the registration is done right, the filing's on time, early filing discounts, all of that is managed by us. And so, I think owning that outcome is a big differentiator for ZAMP. We're not just here to help you, we're here to execute and make sure that we own the result.
Right. Right. All right. No. So everyone, go check out ZAMP. All right. This is what we're implementing. All right. And whether it's you have some clients that need help, whether you realize that all the sales hacks you've been doing, the platform is much better, much easier to use, or quite frankly, this is something you've avoided, but now you can white label and roll out an entirely new revenue stream, entirely new service. And by the way, if clients are going to come to you for sales tax, you're probably going to get everything else too. You're going to get their accounting, you're going to get the returns, the advisory work, all of that comes with it. So, Clete, listen, thanks for sitting down, taking the time. Appreciate it. Everyone, there's a link below. Go check out ZAMP. All right. They are highlighted in our automation guide for this year because this is, I think, the kind of solution that's game changing for everyone now looking for what is the next thing I can do, because tax compliance work between automation, AI, the cost pressure from the national chains. The tax pros and the accountants need something else, and this is something that is a very simple add-on.